This is the Colosus keyless door knob, I guess. Less than a year old, and currently it only opens when we pull the handle upwards. It doesn't open when we pull the handle down. The latch doesn't go in. You see that? It goes up. When we pull it up, it goes in. Pull down, nothing happens. And this is the back or the inside handle, which should work either way, basically. And this one right here in the front seems to work. See, the handle is working. It's moving up and down when we turn the handle in the front. Hang on. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pounds. But you notice when I pull the handle up, it also works. But going down, handle down, it doesn't work. So something must be screwed up inside, and it just happened all of a sudden. Not sure why. So we have to work by having the handle upward only currently at this time. Hopefully we can get this replaced.